All right, guys, if you own a credit repair company and you don't offer business funding, you're leaving millions on the table, literally, right? So, guys, I'm going to let him explain exactly how you can do it without even you having to fund your clients. If you own a credit repair business, you can add so much cash flow in your business if you just offer that to your clients, because everybody that comes for credit repair, guess what? They need money. Even if they're trying to buy a home, they don't have money for the down payment. So talk to him, bro. How can they add that?
How you guys doing, man? Listen, adding funding to your credit repair business is so important because that's literally the end game. You guys not having funding as a product, you're missing out and you're leaving money on the table and you're missing the end game. We want to hurry up and get rid of those clients, right? So we want to get them a credit score. We want to wipe all the negative stuff off. And then you want to contact my brother and he's going to set you up with an affiliate link. This is how you guys scale. Imagine having your own affiliate link for your clients. Anytime you close out a client and the client gets funded, you get paid. Commission, it gets even better than that. But I just want to tell you guys, having funding to your credit repair business is really important going into future. If you want to build your business up and scale to new levels, you got to have funding, guys. So the easiest way to get funding added, you contact someone like this. He's easy to get in contact with, guys. He will give you guys a link. He will show you the system and he will show you how to close your client out. All you have to do is get your client to sign up. That's it, and he'll take care of the rest. So tell everyone, how can they find you?
Guys, you can find me on IG at Real Estate DLO, but listen to this, right? Guys, did you hear that the average millionaire has about 7 streams of income? It's written somewhere in the book. So sometimes you don't have to do the deliverables, but you have to offer the services, right? So him and his girl, they're here, and they're like, his girl spoke on stage today. They became millionaires repairing credit.
In the same credit repair?
And the same credit repair industry, guys. But guess what? They're so smart that they went and found people like me and be like, hey, all my clients need funding. I want to get paid in the front and in the back, right? So you guys gonna fund them, and then I'm gonna get paid on each client that I sent you, but I don't have to deal with it because I can scale my business now because I free that time to where I don't have to deal with it, but I'm also working with somebody that knows what they're doing.
And this is how you create passive income, guys. Having systems in place where you just wake up, you see clients inquiring about funding, you just send out the link. It's so easy. They sign up, he'll close everything out, you get paid. That's how easy it is, guys. So,
bro, tell my audience, where do they find you if they want to fix their credit? Where do they find you?
You guys hit me up on Instagram, Phill_3400. My Facebook name is Phill. Pioneer Express, www.Pioneer Express Enterprises, Diamonds Luxury Credit. The list goes on and on, y'all.
Indeed. And guys, look out for them. They're about to get into luxury new development. That's another thing for all you professionals out there. Whether that you own a credit repair company, whether that you own a tax company, whether that you own a business funding,
or if you're just outsourcing what you have.
If you're just stacking this cash and you're not looking into things like luxury new development, guys, the amount of profits you make, and the beautiful thing is, all you have to do is to bring 20% to the table to secure the lot. And we have lenders that will fund you the 80% of the purchase of the lot, and then they'll fund you 100% of the construction, and will hold your damn hand to build multi-million-dollar homes.
You cannot mess this process up. This is the easiest process. This is how you get into real estate, guys. It's easy. Literally, he will show you baby steps. He will show you. If you're not confident, he will make you confident.
Yes.
Like, this is the most important thing when you're in this business. You want to be confident. So this is why I hire someone like this that has the expertise, because if I'm not confident, he is, and he's going to get me confident. So guys, do not forget, guys, scale your business, add funding, learn real estate. Let's go.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.
Yes, sir.